So here we have an Apple Watch band. It is a leather link with magnetic closure for my 44mm Apple Watch Series 5. So let's unbox this and try it on my watch. I really love the design of this. As you can see, 44mm medium large. This is how to open them. I always forget that. You should pull this like so. And then you should take this strap and take it out like so. Some information in the box too. And let's see here, we have a guide on how to mount it on the watch. And we have the watch band itself. Feels so good. Wow, what a quality. Really nice. Whoa. It oozes quality of this. Very nice watch band. Really nice. So nice. Is it something else in the box maybe? Nope. Even if it feels like it. So let's mount this on my Apple Watch and check out how good it looks and how it feels and so on. Very magnetic. So just mount it like so, and the longer end in this end like so. And now just turn it on the wrist like a normal. I'm not sure if it should be that way or it should be the other way around. Right. It should be the first way I did, like so. Very nice. Whoa, feels so good. So good. And look at it, such a quality band. Feels so nice. So let's see with the clock on. Really nice. That was a beauty. I really love this watch band. So nice, and it feels so good. Love it. Okay, that's it. Bye.